Hello YouTube, this is my new to me Wizard Deluxe box fan, and it's not a 20-inch box fan, I know that for sure. Might be 14 or 16, I don't know the size, but it's just how I found it at the swap meet. $5. Looks a little rough even for $5, but hey, it's all here as far as I can see. It's a 3-blader, 4 screws to hold that front grille on, and as far as I can tell, this is a 3-speed fan. We got 1, 2, and 3. I'm pretty sure. Handle's seen better days. It's broke on one side, but I can probably fix that. It's actually holding right now, but I'm sure it won't if I pick it up. The wiring is definitely a little worse for wear here. We've got one wire just running straight up into the motor, and the other wire is going right into that control, but there doesn't appear to be any wire for this to connect to. So I'll have to figure that out. It's got some wasps in there, and it does spin freely though, so I might be able to get it working. As you can see here, it does turn, so it might have been left outside, but it doesn't quite look that bad, so I think I might be able to get it running. Here's a side view of it. I've never had one of this size before, so I figured I'd grab it just to see. If I could get it working, I'd have a smaller fan for smaller areas. But anyway, I'll do a follow-up if I can get this thing working.